Hello, everyone. Welcome to week 8. I can't believe we made it through. You did it. You did it. I knew you all would. We're in our last week together. A lot of things are going on, obviously, in the world. I hope you're all staying safe and making sure to wash your hands a lot during this time and keeping that social distance, which is so important. During this week, we will be reading chapter 15 of our textbook. Chapter 15 covers important aspects of communication with families. It also talks about how portfolios are used to improve upon family communication. We also will be discussing teachers' role and interaction with the child, as well as contrast the differences in families and how they affect the teachers. So just making sure that we are aware of the cultures that we're serving so we can make sure to have a holistic curriculum, right? And so during this week, you want to make sure to read chapter 15, complete that. You want to go ahead and take the quiz for chapter 15. It's 10 points, and that's due by April 3rd, as well as the final exam. The final exam is 75 points, it's 75 multiple choice questions, and is also due by April 3rd. I want to make sure that you have that. This week, though, the Monday the 30th, our observation 3 is due. So make sure you wrap that up. If you have any questions, please email me and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. On that particular observation, because we can't go out and do observations because most schools are closed at this point, and plus we're all supposed to be staying in, I have attached a link with several observations videos that you can utilize. You want to make sure, again, I've said this a couple times, but I want to make sure you're aware that in the observation at the end, you will be attaching all videos you use to complete that observation. Okay, and let's see. So everything is due. Anything that you want to redo or resubmit is going to be due by April 3rd. Once April 3rd comes and you have your quiz done and your final done, the grades are closed out. So you want to make sure that you turn in everything that you have prior to the 3rd. That is on a Friday. That Monday the 6th is when I have to actually submit all the grades, so they're final at that point. So make sure to get with me if you have any concerns about your grades, and have a fabulous week. Again, I'm here for you. You're all in my prayers. Please reach out to me if needed. Have a great week, guys.